Hey, what's up guys, it's Extended back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get Instagram, Facebook and Twitter all in one app. And you guys can save about 410 MB by just deleting Instagram and Facebook. And step 1, go to the Play Store and download the app Flyso, which is only 26 MB and has a rating of 4.6. So as you can see, there are all three apps. Log into all three apps. And that's all guys for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please thumbs up for the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.